Good day, folks. In the distance, you see Disney's Animal Kingdom. To the left, we're on our way to Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. This is the last resort in Walt Disney World that we have yet to visit / experience. For your viewing pleasure, I'd like to welcome my driver, my co-host sidekick. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Are you having a good time?
I am having a great time. This is pretty interesting because I never knew that Animal Kingdom had a lodge until we did a little research. Yes, and indeed it does.
Oh, cool. So it says on our GPS that we have 1.2 miles to go, and we are dining at okay, so I can't pronounce the name, but it's a Savannah restaurant. We have toured the Savannah, and I've uploaded that video many years ago. Disney's Animal Kingdom is not a park that we normally go to, but we're gonna check this out. We are now approaching the entrance.
We've got a while to go.
Yeah, we have a while to go, but as you can see in the
this
distance,
is the entrance.
yeah, this is actually Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge.
Okay.
So here we go.
What's the name of the place?
Okay, we have passed security, and here we are. Pretty cool, huh?
This is cool.
Yeah.
This is cool.
Well, viewers, I hope you enjoy these videos because there's one more restaurant that I heard of, but we'll see. I want to see how this goes before I think about going anywhere else. But yeah, so it says go straight ahead. We are going to Kidani Village. So Jambo House is to the right. Different vibe, huh?
Just
Yeah, I know.
it's amazing the vegetation and all that.
Yeah. I've been to North Africa, but I haven't been to anything beyond that. So it's Kidani Village, that's the name of it.
There it is.
Yes, here we are, folks.
It's amazing. Kidani Village. Check in.
So we go to Valet, which is straight ahead. Oh, look at them. You have it first, Mike. So this is the lodge over to the right. Looks like the Polynesian. Oh my God.
It does, doesn't
It does. It looks like the freaking Polynesian. See that, folks? Anyway, we'll see how this goes.
it? LA straight.
Yeah,
That's
that's
the bus.
bus is to the right.
That's the Disney transportation.
Yeah, and there's new rules now. So because we have that, we don't need to worry about paying for valet, which is normally $42 a
Check that
day.
out.
Oh my God, look at that.
Little Africa.
Okay, so we're going to valet parking and we'll take it from there. Okay, folks, this is the front of Kidani Village. Oh my God, I mean, this is just absolutely fabulous. Oh my God. Okay, folks. So the gift shop is 7 to 10. Let's check it out. So I would say everything is African themed. That's kind of cool. That's like 20 bucks. I might buy that. It's kind of neat. And then they have the usual snacks and stuff. Magnets. I'm looking to see if they have any Disney Animal Kingdom Lodge. Oh, they have bracelets. These are kind of cool. I like this stuff. So, and then they got little Disney hair clips. So they have the Florida magnets, but so it's not, so Disney Vacation Club, Disney pins. Welcome home. I don't see. Do you have any Disney Animal Kingdom Lodge magnets?
You ready to go? Backing up, dude. Backing up. The bus?
Thank you. He's got a stash for me, folks. And so they've got, this is the Disney Animal Kingdom Lodge. I like that. And I like that. But see, I have the, I might get that. And so, is that, I think that's a candle. And then, oh, so they got Lion King merchandise, folks. I'm sorry. See, I like this. I might get that. I really am all over the place. And they've got Disney Animal Kingdom mug. And since I collect the mugs, I will put one thing away and keep the cup. They have that. So this really is kind of cute. And you know, we've seen this in every resort. Oh, they've got Halloween stuff out, folks. Look at this. They've got Happy Halloween mugs. How interesting. They do have the Disney Animal Kingdom magnets, and we got some. So this is all of the new merchandise here. So, yeah. Oh my God, I just can't. Okay, let's go pay for it. while we are waiting for the restaurant to open, here I am uploading shorts and taking as much video as I can. Isn't that cool? So this is, it reads to a hippo helmet mask. This hippo mask was danced by the Ijaw people of Nigeria to evoke sacred water spirits and acknowledge the role of hunting in man's survival. Isn't that beautiful? So the next one is the pig mask. So this represents a wood carver's creation set, and this is Cameroon. That's what it says there. Isn't this cool? Now, I have no idea what this is. Oh, this is gonna leak. So we were just in Johari Treasures. There's not much of a treasure there, but look at that. Isn't that cool? That's very cool. And then, I'm not sure if this is real wood or what, but those are my treasures. So we are going to go outside after dinner because you can take video up close with the animals because this is supposed to be a savanna. Wow. So do you know where the restaurant is? Well, yes. Okay. So I guess this is where we go to the, so I like this coat. Great King have big heart. Ethiopia. And then these are some of the recreation offerings.
It's just like getting because we were walking like right past him. He is his voice.
No, I can't. And then I think this is where you go for the restaurant. This is the restaurant waiting room. So, and this is isn't this cool? So this is the restaurant waiting room. There's a gas fireplace there. This so cool. This is a nuki pot, and this is from Nigeria. It's restrooms. Okay, we're not going in the restrooms, but I seen that cool. Now, this is really nice, folks. After dinner, then we're gonna
Reservation for it's under Amanda's service.
got reservation for 5:10.
My mom decided to.
Yes, 5:10.
I did.
Okay, so it looks like they have a little drum show at 5 o'clock. So we are going to check that out. But in the meantime, folks, excuse me, we are going outside. And it's this. So it's antelope and wildebeest. So I think that's all we can probably see here. But look at this. So I think they probably just choose whatever the safe animals are, folks. So that is real rock. I highly recommend that if you are in the Disney area to check this out because there's just so much here. I'm sure dining here will be expensive, but I'll tell you what, this really is pretty. This is the outside. So I'm not sure what this is. Oh, that's just granite rock, I think. Or porous lava rock. I don't think there's any substance to it, but it looks like it's feeding or licking something. So this is from the outside, in between the village, in the middle of the village. This is what this is. So the people that have rooms here, this is what they're here. So there isn't really a lot of animals. I think these are the more tame. out during the day, and then at night they go in those. It's kind of like a room or whatever. There he is, African explorer sidekick.
They stay here all the night. They stay out there.
So what do you think?
It's pretty cool. It's amazing. I never thought Disney had anything like this. You can stay here and they have an access view right in front of the property.
Yep.
Yep. There's a giant pelicans, or I don't know, but they're not pelicans. I looked out over there. See those?
I'm not sure what these are.
Yeah, up by the pool.
So,
Go look at the pool. Okay.
so there's one over here.
Okay.
Do you see that? I don't know what these peacocks are.
Cool.
I'm not sure. I'm not up on my animals.
Thank you. Enjoy your anniversary. Yeah, thank you.
So you have antelope, you have giraffe, wildebeest. It's really weird, folks. I see if I was going to stay anywhere, it would be there. That would be, but can you just imagine how much it would cost to stay there? A lot of money. Folks, I know you're enjoying this as much as I am. Nice, isn't it? Okay, so we are going to the lobby. We're going to do some more exploring.
Going down.
So, library, let's see, library. Okay. So we're just, evidently we seen that there was a library or something. I want to go back out and see we noticed there was a couple of the zebras that were fighting. But so this is about 7 in the evening, folks. You want to go outside?
Yeah, let's go.
We're leaving? Okay, so. But anyway, this is. You ready to leave? Anyway, really, the downstairs is all the restaurant. And so just everybody's just watching the wildlife. I mean, out there is but this is it in a nutshell, folks. So we've explored pretty much everything. So I want to thank you for coming along on our little Disney adventure here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. So I figured I'd try and film a little bit of the outside. So so you come in through that entrance, and then, I mean, that's pretty much it right there. And then you come and park, and then you go in the thing. But this is it, folks. This is Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. Beautiful sunset. Thank you for coming along on this adventure to a resort we've not known about. And we'll see you in the next travel adventure. So long for now.